A 2021 Toyota Venza here. If you want to jump start it and want to know where your battery is located, I'm going to show you where it's at. So if you want to jump start, you're going to go over to this fuse box here, pop it open. This comes off. There's these two tabs here and there's one on the front. Just push them. Now right here, the fuse box, you can see this positive sign here. You're going to take this, lift this up. This back side right here is metal, so this is where you're going to hook up your positive cable. You're going to hook up your negative cable here to this bolt here, this bolt here, this bolt here. Okay, so this is your jumping location. Now we'll go to the back of the car and I'll show you where the battery is. We're in the back half of the car and your battery is going to be located in this panel here on the right. So we're going to take this up, lift this up here like this. You're going to need to move this out of the way a little bit. Hand down here, pull towards you. All this will come off. This is not broken. Battery's located right here. Well, I hope this helped you out. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could.